Still troubled by bulky cardboard waste taking space and raising costs? ENERPAT Horizontal Cardboard Baler, your top choice for efficient recycling. Suitable for recycling stations, warehouses, packaging workshops. Adapts to various materials, saves 70% storage space, turns waste into treasure, reduces transportation costs. One-click start, 3-way hydraulic compression, loose cardboard to high-density bales. ENERPAT Horizontal Cardboard Baler, efficient recycling, easy profitability.